Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to create and customize a table in Microsoft Word quickly and easily. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Microsoft Word document and place the cursor where you want the table to appear. Step 2. Go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. Step 3. In the Tables section, click the Table button. Step 4. Hover over the grid to select the number of rows and columns you need, then click to insert the table. Step 5. Add your text to the table cells. Step 6. To format the table, click on it to open the Table Design and Layout tabs. Step 7. Use the Table Design tab to customize the table style, colors, and borders. Step 8. Use the Layout tab to add or remove rows and columns as needed. That's it. You've learned how to create and customize a table in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.